So today we are having another family fun day because it's pretty much our last day to explore before the snow comes in. So, wow, the lighting in here, I can't find any good lighting, sorry y'all. But we have made some chili in the crock pot. Brandon's finishing it up. And we are gonna go to some museums and a store, and then we're gonna head for the mountains. Wait, I thought this was a big boy.
Big boy's way bigger.
This is close, but the big boy's just a little bit longer. And
So what is this, Bear?
It says over there.
Is this large gauge?
Let me see.
Looks like it.
No, medium gauge.
Medium gauge.
What's large gauge?
Like,
So Hunter, is this a coal train? Because it has a coal car?
no, that's the tender.
That's the tender.
Maybe that's the tender.
So what's a tender?
Out the cold water is put to the engine.
Oh.
This is a big train. Here. So
Back to the wheel.
And the piston comes through here, pushes on this side, moving it, and then it goes through, pushes on this side, moving it back. And the piston goes forward and back, spinning the wheel, because this goes back and forwards, and it wants to pivot down when it goes. Man, it's complicated, man. It's hard to explain.
Basics.
Yeah.
English.
And
For the ignorant.
no,
Well, the less...
this is the brake cylinder, I think. Here's the brake pads.
Wow.
And so you see that smaller dome on the top?
Oh, yes.
That's where the sand is.
Sand?
Yeah,
What do they need sand
you'll see. And right there is where it comes out.
for? Sand?
Yeah, it's for traction. Remember, I told you.
Right, wow. I had no idea they use sand.
Yep. All right. And I think over here's the handbrake.
Holy moly. I mean, what is this thing?
I don't. But anyways, that whole thing right there, that big long thing, is the boiler.
So where would the coal...
Over here's the tender. This is the tender where the coal and water goes in.
Now, would they use wood too, or just strictly coal?
You can use coal or wood. It doesn't. It's beautiful. It's tiny and cute, and I love it.
Yes,
Please don't. And over there is a boxcar.
so serious.
I stole his money because I'm not actually gonna get that dirty.
Go all the way down, you'll blow your mind. Because it's like, why? Why do they all have to have individual toilets?
Well,
Very
I mean,
nice looking
privacy.
one. There's
Look,
just
they show you
bunk
the
beds with
dresses.
curtains.
Wow. We gotta go find you. The rain's starting. That means it's snowing up in the mountains. What happened?
I got up here, now the goose is shaking and I'm too scared to come down.
Why did you get up there?
No.
Come on. I gotcha. Come on. We're gonna go to the Pioneer Museum. This is the caboose. Engineering. Look at this. There's a stove back here. Beds. So one thing I've noticed about the trains is that they're very deceiving on the outside. The ceilings are super high. Like, I can't even touch this chandelier. These seats look really comfortable, and there's a ton of room for luggage. They're actually kind of elegant. I can see why people traveled so much by train. Really neat. The other thing I noticed is that apparently everybody's worried about going to the bathroom because there's bathrooms in every single car, in every single compartment on the sleep ones. There just seems to be bathrooms everywhere, which kind of makes me wonder where all of that bathroom stuff is going. I didn't see any tanks. I wonder if it just dumps right out onto the tracks. Yuck.